How good day. I hope everyone is doing all right. Welcome to the FOREX LIGHT episode 4. All right, the first three episodes we've been able to get a sneak view of my trading strategy. We've also seen how to trade cryptocurrencies the Forex style. Right, so today on episode 4, Today on episode 4, we're going to continue where we stopped yesterday and simply get familiar. Oh, wow, I just saw something interesting right now. Okay, all right, good, that's all right. So we'll continue where we stopped on episode 3, talking about trading cryptocurrency, the Forex style. All right, so yesterday we did BTC, USD, Bitcoin. Today, let's look at the Ethereum cryptocurrency. You know, the Ethereum cryptocurrency. So, like we saw yesterday, you do not have to buy the the crypto itself for you to trade it the forex style. You know, forex you don't need to actually buy the instrument. What you're working with is predicting the movement of that pair, whether up or down for a particular, period of time and a particular magnitude of direction. All right. So, like we saw yesterday, on this day, the currency price it's the top of this channel that is being formed, you know, and it came back all the way down. Now we got to the midpoint and it's just moving about in that area. Now it's likely to still drop further, going towards the lower level of the channel, you know, or it could as well go back to the top, make another contact and react before deciding if it's going to break it and go up all the way, or it could just break it first of all, then retest and continue going up. What do I mean? It could price, this is the current price, right? Price could come here before going down, or the price could let's come down a bit. Or on the other hand, alternatively, the price could break above this upper level, then retest on this upper level before it continues on the uptrend. Now, these are possibilities of what we may get. Now, this is just one indication. That's the channel, like we saw yesterday. We use other indications to confirm, uh, to really verify and gain a level of probability on our prediction. All right, so if I'm going to look at what's going on in the large, sch- you know, large scheme of things on this currency pair, now I'm on the daily chart. Looking at what is going on the daily chart, you see that the price is it seems to be like in an overall down channel, more or less. Price seems to be playing around with an overall down channel. it broke a channel, and it's on the way up right about now. All right, so it broke the channel there, and now it's on the way up. So good. So could have it go up even. We could have it go up even further. All right. So this is just looking at possibilities. When the pricing is in the middle of a movement, not really close to a side, it's better to just allow the price to do what it wants to do. All right. Don't just jump in without being sure of what is going to happen. Right. It's only when you have factors that are informing you of a movement possibility, that is when you enter. That is when you decide on a direction, on a movement. All right. So let's see. So that's a key area, a key line. It's a key support and resistance line. Let's see what price is talking about. Let's see what price is doing in that area right about now. Okay, let's before resuming, let's pick on another key area. Okay, all right. So now we have two key areas that we can work with. All right. So if you can see what I'm saying, then on this day, price actually respected this first key area and came down. It tried to break it, but it was stronger than expected. That it had to come back down. Right. So the price may come again and respect it properly before coming down. So when it comes up, it may not even get to this upper level and just touch this before it comes down. On the other hand, if it breaks it, it could test it before moving up. So at this point, the price can go in any direction. So you don't want to make any decisions at this point. You want to wait till it gets to the decision areas, which is this resistance line. So at this point, then you can now look closely into the candle formation that you have in this area. You know, as you can see, at this point, the price touched this and it formed an engulfing bar candle formation, which forms a sell. Now, a top trader will have set a sell stop and is below this candle formation with this stop loss just above that, and take profit will probably be TP1 will probably be around here. All right, and your TP2 surely will go all the way to the base of the channel. These are possible areas, and based on just TP1, this trade will still be open at this time. So let's see what happens on this trade. By tomorrow, we'll know if the trader took the decision to do this, if the trader was correct or not. By then, I expect that the market must have. Okay, it's actually the weekend, so market moves slowly on the weekend. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. At some point, the market will surely take a decision on where it wants to go at this time, whether up or down. So that's the beauty of forex. Only the result will tell the trader if he's doing well or not, not any other analyst or whatever. No, you know, it's your result. It's the result of your choices that informs how solid you are, how good you are in the market. All right, so that will be all for today. Just stepped in to do a quick one. Yeah. So I've been able to expose myself further to trading cryptocurrency, and I hope this was helpful to anyone out there. All right, have a good one.